me share it again with you. Hot and cover with the water vapor. Come on the next. Listen and check. Question number 3, which is on the page number 38, and question number 4 on the page number 39. Question number 3 and 4. These questions are related to the track 11. Listening strategy is on your screen. We will listen this to get the specific information about some particular things. So listen very carefully. I am going to play for you.
Track 11. The Amazon River is 6,400 kilometers long, and it is very wide too. In some areas, the river is almost 11 kilometers wide. Only the River Nile is longer than the Amazon River, but the Amazon is wider than the Nile. The Amazon flows through many countries and forms part of a larger area called the Amazon rainforest, which is home to 33% of the Earth's plants and animals. The Amazon River is also home to many interesting mammals and fish, such as pink dolphins and piranhas, man-eating fish. There are 950 species of bats too, and the Amazon is home to the only real vampire bat, so be careful at night if you're in the Amazon rainforest. There are 3 deserts in Africa: the Sahara Desert, the Namib Desert, and the Kalahari Desert. The Sahara Desert is very big. In fact, it covers approximately 9 million square kilometers. The Sahara is hotter and drier than the Namib and Kalahari deserts, which have an average temperature of 30 degrees. Sometimes the temperature is more than 50 degrees centigrade in the hottest months, so you have to use a lot of sun cream. The Namib Desert is older than the others. It's at least 80 million years old. Hawaii is beautiful, but is it more dangerous than you think? The Kilauea volcano in Hawaii is always erupting. It is more active than its neighbor volcano, the Mauna Loa Long Mountain, which has erupted 33 times since 1843. Mauna Loa, however, is much bigger than Kilauea. It is 100 kilometers long and 50 kilometers wide. That's half of the island of Hawaii. At night, you can see the beautiful colors of the erupting volcano, the bright orange and yellow of the burning lava, and the blues and purple of the gases.
This is all about the track 11. Choose the correct answer. The Amazon River. Yes. Tell me about which one is the correct option. A, B, C. Is 11 kilometers long? Is 6,400 kilometers long? Is longer than Nile? Yes. Great. I want everybody, please write your answers in the chat box. Number B option is right, is 64 kilometers long. What about the Sahara Desert? Sahara Desert is one of your 4 deserts in Africa. Is hotter than Kalahari Desert. Is older than Namib Desert. Yes, is hotter than Kalahari Desert. Okay, number 3, Kilauea volcano. Number A, erupts very often. Is bigger than Mauna Loa volcano. isn't colorful. It is clear to us. In fact, it is written 33% eruptions always happen. So number A, erupts every often. Come on the next. This is a use of English from page number 39 and question number 5. This is about comparatives and superlative. We are familiar with this because we already read this information in class 3. Let me give you a small introduction, a small information about it, and then we will start the activity. Look at here. What do we add to short adjectives to make them comparative and superlative adjective? Short adjective. Let's suppose a word is big. A word is big with the positive attitude. To make it comparative, what we will add? Write in the chat box. Write in the chat box. For the comparative, what we will add? Okay, let me give you a complete example, then I'll ask you. Big. If I want to make it in a comparative adjective, I will add ER. Big, bigger. And if I want to compare with the superlative adjective, then I'll add EST. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay? In comparative, we always compare between two things, between two persons, between two particular given, whatever the material, whatever the things is given in the information. Comparative is always a comparison between two. And in superlative, we compare among all. Among all. Look at on your screen. Comparative, we add ER. Let's suppose the positive form is, a word is small. A small stick. Okay? I make it in comparative smaller. See, with the superlative, with the EST, it becomes smallest. Give me a sign of a thumbs up if it is clear up to now. Give me a sign of a thumbs up. Hurry up. We are talking about short adjective. Short adjective means those which are having one syllable. One syllable. Come on the next. How do we change a short adjective ending in Y? Ending in Y to make it a comparative adjective. Let's suppose the word is pretty. The word is pretty. How you will change pretty with comparative adjective? Can you write in the chat box? Pretty. The word is pretty. Hurry up. Change the word pretty with comparative adjective. Hurry up. Write in the chat box. Yes. It's prettier. See? Change Y to Y. It becomes prettier. Look at the next. How do we make a long adjective? A long adjective means an adjective which is having more than two syllables, like beautiful, attraction, expensive. See, the word is expensive. How many sounds are coming? Expensive. It's clear to us there are three syllables. Expensive. Okay? Give me a sign of a thumbs up if it is clear about a long adjective. Yes, give me a sign of a thumbs up. Hurry up. Long adjective. Long adjective mean those words which are having two syllables or more. Great. See, in comparative, we will add more. and then. Why? Because in comparative, we compare things between two objects. Okay? More peaceful. Then in superlative, we use the word the most, because here we compare among all. Look at on the screen. Exercise 1, complete the sentences with comparatives and superlative. 1 is done for you. The Amazon River is shorter than the river Nile. Okay, the word is given shorter. Short. Number 2, the Namib Desert dash the Sahara Desert. It's a comparison between two deserts. Two deserts are given. Two particular deserts names are given. So it's a comparison between two. So it's clear to you this is about a comparative. Yes. Hurry up. Write your answer in the chat box. And Sunil, stop playing. Do your work. Yes. It's cooler than the Sahara Desert. Number 3. The Kalahari Desert dash the North Pole. Yes, it is again a comparison between two, Kalahari Desert and the North Pole. So it's clear to us. This is a story about a comparative. Sea is hotter than the North Pole. Number 4, the Great Barrier Reef dash the Swana. It's a river name. See, beautiful. Beautiful. 3 syllables are here. Beautiful. Keep in your mind. Here you need to add more or a most. I don't know. You people will tell me. Is there a difference between the two things? Between the two big names? Yes. Is more beautiful than the Swana. The Sahara Desert dash the tropical rainforest. Again, a comparison between two. It is clear. It is related to the comparative. Is drier than the sea. Is drier than the tropical forest. Come on the next. This is your homework. Today I am giving you 2 assignments. Okay? Write true false quiz about your country. Write 6 sentences. See, sentences are written here. Think about mountains, beaches, forests, deserts, the temperature. Use comparative adjective. Make sure some are true and some are false. If there is a false statement, then make it right, it's false. If it is true, then write it true. Yes. This is your homework. Hurry up. I want to share one video with you, so please hurry up. Write your diary. This is your homework. And see. Read about Mount Everest, then copy and complete the fact file. Information is written about Mount Everest on your screen. You will get today in the WhatsApp group which things you need to find out. The title is clear. Name is Mount Everest. Location. You will read the paragraph very carefully and find out the exact location of this mountain. Its height, its temperature, and curious facts. After the reading, you will able to identify what is the demand of the fact file. If your diary is done, give me a response in the chat box that you have done. Yes. If your diary is done, I'm ready. Yes, it's done. Great. Great. Okay. Get ready. I'm going to